step that we're looking at is obviously to investigate multimedia options, conference recording, and web streaming. So here to host the next session, I'd like you to welcome Head of Multimedia at Blitz Communications, Paul Landergan. Here he is. Paul, welcome to the stage.
Thank you very much.
Good
morning, everybody.
So Paul, why web streaming then?
Well, as you probably gather from the name, web streaming is a technique for sharing presentations using the internet. It's been growing in popularity for some time, and with very good reason. It allows large audiences in remote locations to see one common message, and it has benefits in terms of reducing or even eliminating the requirement for long-distance travel with all the attendant costs and environmental benefits. It allows content to be viewed after the event without the need for expensive and time-consuming post-production. The BeThere system from Blitz is a compact, PC-based, self-contained solution to conference recording and web streaming. The creation of any presentation involves a great deal of work and contains knowledge of immeasurable value. All too often, it's seen only once by a limited number of people, and the value is lost when the audience leaves the room. Blitz BeThere system simply captures your presentation and publishes it on the internet, unlocking the lost value and making it available to a global audience. Now, although we talk about a global audience, you are always in control. For example, you can control who sees your presentation. Your webcast can be password protected. For internal events, you'll no doubt want webcasts to be free to view, but the system is capable of pay-per-view streaming, allowing you to generate additional revenue from an event. Your content may be valuable to advertisers. BeThere allows you to introduce ads and to earn additional revenue by inserting ads into or between presentations. Even breaks between sessions may be of interest to sponsors because the stream can remain live for the entire duration of an event. Audience feedback is also extremely valuable. BeThere can provide a questions facility to keep your audience engaged.
So how exactly does that work, Paul?
Well, BeThere recording system creates streaming video featuring the presenters and their slides in perfect synchronization. What you're seeing on the screen to my left is the operator's control screen. There we go. A delegate logging into the webcast online or watching a recording would see the large window at the top left of this screen. So let's just close in on that one if we can. And that would appear in a customized web browser, customized page on their web browser. The page is a bespoke creation for your specific event, so it can look any way you want it to look. Recordings created on the BeThere system are playable on Mac and Windows PCs and many smartphones. They can be made available either live or within hours of the end of an event. The BeThere system is economical to use. For larger events, we can provide additional systems so BeThere can capture plenary sessions and multiple breakout sessions with ease. As soon as presentations finish, the video is ready to be published on the internet. No post-production, no duplication. Any presentation has value and can be easily captured and published. BeThere makes streaming and hosting straightforward and cost-effective.
What sort of functionality does the system offer?
It's extremely adaptable. Dynamic switching allows the operator to change the layout and appearance of the recording at the touch of a button. It's accessible. You can mix background images or graphics and up to 4 live sources to create your recorded program and encode to multiple video streams real time. It's flexible. You can produce high-definition versions for later video editing, high-bandwidth versions for the web, and compact H.264 versions for smartphone and iPhone distribution. And it's affordable. There's no rendering, no post-production, so it's ready to stream live or on demand. You simply log in to the dedicated streaming server, upload your recordings, and edit, publish, and distribute via the web.
Okay, so I'm a delegate actually wanting to view the webcast. How do I do it, and what does it look like?
Okay. Well, the webcast, being internet-based, simply requires you, the viewer, to access a specific website to view the transmission. So prior to the event, you'd be notified of the site address, the URL, which you enter into your web browser. All the standard browsers are supported. You then access a page that would look something like this. This is an example from a recently streamed event. And basically, it's as simple as that. The web page is completely customizable. It can look exactly the way you want it to look.
It looks quite impressive, but how many crew are involved? How much equipment is involved?
Well, one of the key benefits of BeThere is that unlike certain earlier solutions which needed several technicians and large amounts of equipment, BeThere is all contained in one single road case. The system can be set up in around half an hour and is operated just by one person. The system is capable of real-time simultaneous encoding to multiple Windows Media and Flash H.264 streams. The BeThere PC features 2 data inputs capable of capturing high-resolution computer outputs, and there are 2 inputs for PAL video sources. The kit also includes a compact camera and a tripod and audio mixer, so it's completely self-contained. Integrated within the system for ease and flexibility, the system includes pan, tilt, and remote control camera software, so the operator can completely manipulate camera from anywhere in the room via a simple USB control. So I think you'll see that's what our operator is doing at the moment.
Are you limited to just one window, Paul?
No, not at all. To add production value to recordings and webcasts, the software has an integrated high-resolution production switcher. This enables the operator to freely select and adjust multiple video and data sources and to save your various screen states as presets. Position, size, layout, and the use of background images allow the operator to customize all aspects of the production. For example, if we can select full-screen video of me, the presenter. There I am, okay. Let's go to full-screen slides for that particularly complex graphic. Goodness me, that's a particularly complex graphic. Camera and video side by side. And so on. The flexibility should satisfy the most demanding creative director.
I think I know what you're going to say about this one already, but what happens, we know it all happens, at the very last minute the presenter wants to change the slides or the order. How adaptable is it?
We gleefully rub our hands because we don't care. That's one of the great benefits of the BeThere approach. It really doesn't matter. Any content, PowerPoint, high definition, standard definition video, software demonstrations, websites, DVDs, games, whatever goes on screen is faithfully captured and streamed. If the presenter surfs the web, demonstrates software, or runs video content, anything they do on their computer, BeThere captures it perfectly synchronized with their presentation in one continuous video stream. The BeThere system is based on robust and proven encoder platforms. It provides the capability for simultaneous encoding in multiple formats and at multiple frame rates. The system can be configured to create all the formats required for television, web, and mobile phone delivery.
See, I said they were all cleverer than me, didn't I? That's a really formidable tool, but can you just summarize exactly, if I want to use the BeThere tool, what are its capabilities?
Of course, yeah. To wrap it all up, BeThere system provides recording and webcasting services for conference organizers, meeting planners, corporations, educators, anybody who wants to broadcast a presentation on the web. It allows you to present to audiences that for geographic, logistic, economic, or any other reasons can't be together in the same place. It allows you to control who sees your event through password-protected access, or to generate additional revenue with the use of pay-to-view and sponsored advertising messages. The system is compact, convenient, flexible, and above all, cost-effective. It enables you to reach a global audience easily. That's about it from me. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the Q&A session later on in the morning. Just text them all into that same number that Richard gave you earlier. It's the same number that we're using for questions throughout the day. Thanks again. I look forward to talking to some of you later.
Thanks very much, Paul. Thank you.